No matter how close you are, no matter what you say, no matter how hard you try, this is the only way. Well, you know it now.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. I hope you're doing well. I hope everything is wonderful in your world. I know my hair looks crazy, but I'm wearing it down today, and for the sake of putting on my face, I am clipping it back, keeping it out of my face. Did I already say that? I probably already said that. So I have been using and playing with this Flower Bomb palette from Midas Cosmetics, and I absolutely love it. I just think it's perfect for the time of year. And the last time I did a look, which I posted a video using it, I will link it up there for you, I used purple and pink. And today, I still think I want to use purple and pink, but I think I want to go real peachy and pink up top, and maybe use some of the greens and blues on the bottom. I don't know. As per usual, I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to be in a rush doing this. So I can't do a lot of experimentation, but I want something pretty. And this isn't actually what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a different shirt, one that I wore recently, probably in a video, because everything is 2 weeks delayed. But that being said, I want to show you my process of coming up with something really colorful and springy, but something that's still wearable. I'm going to an NCAA regional game with my dad, my brother, and my nephew today. So I want to look pretty and springy, but I don't want to look too over the top. So if you'd like to see what that looks like, please keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get into this, but before I get started, would you please subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you do end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I appreciate it. Please and thank you. Alright, I'm going to zoom you in so you can see all the crevices. And let me get my mirror here and let's get this show on the road.
I don't want your love no more, no more. Every single day I'm hurting more, but I don't want your love no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. And every single day I'm hurting more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. I don't want your love no more, no. Your love no more, your love no more. I could be like it was before. No matter how hard I try, I just can't let you stay. My hands are tied because we can't get past the same old problems that we talk about. We keep on talking about how you run my heart in circles, and you think that I'll just wait for you to come around, but you won't come around. And I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. No matter how hard I try to not let you back in, forgiveness is so easy when you've got a lot to give. You can only take so much before there's nothing left. And you always want, but you never wanna give. And I know you can see all of the pain that's gathered in my eyes when I look at you, when I look at you. And now I realize that all this time you had no heart, so you used mine, oh you used mine. And I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. your love no more, no more. Every single day I'm hurting more, but I don't want your love no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. And every single day I'm hurting more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. I don't want your love no more, no. Your love no more, your love no more. I could be like it was before. No matter how hard I try, I just can't let you stay. My hands are tied because we can't get past the same old problems that we talk about. We keep on talking about how you run my heart in circles, and you think that I'll just wait for you to come around, but you won't come around. And I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more.
Alright guys, that's it for the eye. I think it turned out really pretty. I love the green underneath. I really wanted to get into those greens, but I wanted something more wearable. So I'm going to go in with Hush Hush. I just want a peachy lip, a low maintenance peachy lip. I'm going to go in with Hush Hush. I'm going to go in with Hush Hush by Buxom and Sun Kissed, Sun Blessed by MAC.
But you never wanna give. And I know you can see all of the pain that's gathered in my eyes when I look at you, when I look at you. And now I realize that all this time you had no heart, so you used mine, oh you used mine. And I don't want your love no more, no more.
Okay guys, this is it. I'm feeling glowy and springy and pretty, so pretty. It's the final look on the eyes. I am going to go do something with my hair, put on a different shirt and some clothes, and wait for my ride to get here. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back with my wild hairdo, but it's about as good as it's gonna get. I'm getting ready to head off to the ball game. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed watching my process. I think it turned out pretty, and I'm feeling very confident heading out into the world today. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. Anyways, I have been using and playing with, this Flower Bomb
No matter how hard I try, I just can't let you stay. My hands are tied because we can't get past the same old problems that we talk about. We keep on talking about how you run my heart in circles, and you think that